question number 89. It's a theoretical question. Everybody please read it quickly and then we will do answer. The following statements have been made about cost plus pricing. Now, what is cost plus pricing? Let me explain you. It's a traditional way of pricing your product. Cost plus pricing means that you incur all of your cost, and it is also sometimes called full cost plus pricing, and it is based on absorption costing method. You add your material cost, labor cost, variable overhead, and your fixed overhead. Whatever the cost comes, you don't care. Whatever the cost comes, you add your markup on the top of that. So you say that, whatever will be the cost, I need my 20% on the top. And by the way, cost plus pricing, I call it a traditional method. It has a lot of internal focus and you do not consider about your customers. You might be making a lot of wastage in your systems and ultimately you want to recover that wastage from your customer. I am buying extra materials, I am paying more, I have more wastages, I am paying overtime. And then I say, whatever it will cost me, I will add 20% on the top and take money from my customer. So it means that my customer is paying all of my inefficiencies. So therefore, it's a traditional method. It's an old method. It does not work in the modern business environment. It does not work in the competitive business environment. Cost plus pricing. Whatever will be the cost, I will take it from customer along with my profit. So this is when you listen or when you hear about cost plus pricing, what should come to your mind? When I say target costing, what comes to your mind immediately is that you have set a selling price and then you are trying to playing with the cost and minimizing the cost, decreasing the cost. So target pricing is a lot of customer focused, market focused. Cost plus pricing is opposite of that. You don't care about the market. What works here? The monopolies, the work like cost plus pricing, government entities, public sector organizations, they work cost plus pricing. Whatever is the cost, recover it from customer, whatever it is. Anyways, the following statements have been made about cost plus pricing. A price in excess of full cost per unit will ensure that a company will cover all its cost and make a profit. So the following statements have been made. Which of the above statements are true? So a price in excess of full cost. So you have full cost. What is inside full cost? Four cost: material, labor, variable overhead, and fixed overhead. So you say that my full cost, let's suppose, full cost means absorption cost, okay? You say my full cost is $50 and then I put my markup, which is, let's suppose 30% and which is 15. And I put my selling price as $65, okay? So it says that a price in excess of full cost, price which is 65, which is in excess of full cost 50, will ensure that the company will recover all its cost and make profit. Is it true or false? Is it true or false?
So true, I guess.
Why do you think it is true? It is false, because actually what we have added inside of full cost, you have only added production cost. You might have non-production cost. Maybe your non-production, how much markup you have added? $15. Maybe you have non-production costs which are $20. Then you are in loss because you will make $15 markup, but then $20 you will pay to non-production. You will end up in making loss. So cost plus pricing does not ensure. So therefore, we say that because cost plus pricing does not include non-production also, it only makes sure that production cost will be recovered. Non-production, there is no guarantee. Therefore, this one is wrong. Second, it says cost plus pricing is an appropriate pricing strategy when jobs are carried out to the customer specifications. Yeah, this is true. So two only. It is appropriate when you carry out some jobs or orders on the request of a customer. Customer says, I want this product in this much design, or this is the design of the product, whatever. And then you can charge it to the customer because you are doing it according to the requirement of the customer. And then all of the cost customers should be bearing. So it is appropriate when jobs are carried out to customer specification, otherwise not.